Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys. I have to close the door. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vina. How are you guys doing? So today it's house arrest because of the NCOV pandemic, the virus happening everywhere. So it's house arrest. So we have to stay at home as much as possible and avoid crowded areas and stay healthy. So today, what I'm going to vlog, ano arte kay ka, Ben? So today, I'm going to vlog unboxing haul from Douglas. This was my purchase last International Women's Day celebration. So it was a sale in the Netherlands. So know all sorts of the world, all sorts. They have sale. So I have the mess to open the box. Mess, by the way, mess is knife in Dutch. So here it is. This is the box from Douglas, and let's open it. By the way, for my subscribers, thank you so much for watching. Thank you because you have time to watch my videos. For my new subscribers, for the new viewers, hello, nice to meet you. So here it is. This is the box, and let's see what's inside. What free items I've got. So I've got a sample perfume from Dolce & Gabbana. It's a light blue. Ganan kiko sa mga sample kaya hindi na akong palit. I like the scent. And I've got 15% courting or promotion from About You.nl. Oh. How do you... nasa likod ng ang voucher. Kanina nonsense kaya we don't taya loto here. And alright, so this is what's inside. Wait, I have to go on. So I have the receipt. It's on actually kanila man di palit off. So I've got the blotting paper because I have an oily skin. This is NYX matte blotting paper, and I've got from e.l.f. Eyes, Lips and Face creamy eyeliner, and NYX Honeydew Deep Primer. It's an oil infused primer, I believe. Let me see. I think it's yeah, it's an oil based honeydew blah 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 blah. Yeah, this one. Last but not the least, the NYX Micro Brow Pencil Crayon. I like this one. This is my alternative. Wait. This is my alternative from the Benefit Brow Precise. The Benefit eyebrow gel pencil. This is my alternative because this is cheaper and parehas lang ano effect. Pero kanya akong kilay karon kay lain siya. Kaya akong gigamit. I use the Etude pencil. Katong color to. May pagka-pink na violet yung color. If you're fond of Korean beauty products, you know this. And I've got sa Davao pa na ako siya napalit. Itong napo ko sa Davao. So this one, this is in the shade of brunette. I have my first purchase. It was the shade of chocolate. Ang dami. Let's open this one. Creamy eyeliner. Gamay sa ano eh. Dapat ako ma-open. It has a small brush to shape your eyebrows. Hindi ka akong tingog. Hindi siya Isa siya. Diba? Okay. Sorry. So, it's so small. As in, gamay kayo siya, oh. Diba? Gamay kayo siya. Ito ka nila eh. Gamay kayo. It's black. Let's open. Okay. Hala nga ng black. Dawa ba kong gi-order? I think black na yung color. Black na yata. So, yeah. The NYX eyeliner. Eyeliner is siya. Hindi siya kang kilay. Eyeliner is €5. And this one is €8 because normally this is 10. And the primer is 13. And the blotting paper is €64. So all in all are €30, 36. So okay na siya kay kung if you buy it na on the mark price, it's a not my budget. Not on my budget today. Not on my budget today. It's not on my budget for the month. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, my Dutch word for today is mess. Mess. A knife. Yeah. Please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to watch my other videos. I hope you have a nice day and stay safe. Stay away from the crowded places and kanang magpalike to sa corona pero dito mag-hoard kay proper hygiene lang jud ang katapat ana bash of immunity. Raise your immunity. Boost yourself with immunity. Have a safe one. Alright, see you on my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe pa, huh? Thank you.